Danke bafethu. Ngiyakhumbula manje ukuthi ngibukela imechi yeMamelodi Sundowns ngabona uBasadeni Nkosi yami uhleli le kuma-grandstand or yini ku-V_I_P yakhona. Eish, one of my favourite players bafethu e-South Africa. Uyambona ukuthi uyacabanga umfowethu ukuthi angidlali nokudlala la because iplayer leli elifuna ukudlala. Ngikhumbula i-interview yakhe laphana wathi ufuna ukulwa ukudlala kuMamelodi Sundowns a-contribute nanokuthi enze kangcono kuBafana Bafana but-ke chance yakhe kuBafana Bafana is gone. But noma anga-stress uBasadeni a-stress-we yithi ngokuripota uDode everyday but-ke he's sitting on a big fat paycheck. Every month ucollect i-check yakhe maybe ku-300,000 or kumalini. Une-signing on fee uthola ama-millions from iMamelodi Sundowns. Lo muntu lo u-stressed uyi-millionaire, mina ngi-stress nge-airtime advance yami. Hhayi, noma uBasadeni I think noma singamdelela Nkosi yami noma singathini, I think abantu la online akumelanga bathathe izinto personal. If I feel like saying uBasadeni wasted his talent ngokuthi aye kuMamelodi Sundowns, that's my opinion, right? But I don't think uBasadeni wasted his chance for going to Mamelodi Sundowns. Ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sizofika ukuthi nini sizofika after i-World Cup, kusho ukuthi ngeke abe ne-chance phela kwi-World Cup. If sizofika after i-AFCON ngeke aye ku-AFCON. As things stand vele akayi ku-AFCON at all. URiyad u-goalkeeper wabo yabona uZipholile, yabona if khona umuntu oyi-enjoy-ayo imali yamahhala kuMamelodi Sundowns ulo goalkeeper lo. Akanandaba ukuthi uyavimba wenzani, uyamotivate behind the scenes, uyi-comedian leMamelodi Sundowns, ubashayela ama-vlog laphana ama-video online. Pholiwe bafethu, akana-stress umfowethu, udlela imali yakhe nje serious. Hhayi, yabona uma kuthiwa umuntu akana-stress umuntu ongana-stress at all. Then lana uKhoza siyambona la esho uKhoza bafethu igame yakhe iphele kabuhlungu. Why? Because ulimele laphana egamini. Sithemba ukuthi injury yakhe ayikho that complicated. But yeah, I mean, akusiwuye kuphela by the way, khona akusibo kuphela laba abangadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns. uKeegan, uJohannes or ubani isibongo sakhe, uJohannes, naye ayisho akana-chance ukuthi adlale kuMamelodi Sundowns this season. Why ngithi akana-chance adlale kuMamelodi Sundowns this season? Because bebathi bayamlona laphana eya what is this team konje bafethu, Swelele FC, yes. Bathi bayamlona uya kuSwelele FC but i-deal yakhona and then ayikwazanga ukumaterialize ekugcineni. Utrainile belaphana ku-camp yakhona or so, and then he was sent back to Mamelodi Sundowns because of izinto zama-paperwork. But-ke i-paperwork isayidini lani leSwelele FC because iSwelele FC besingasavunyelwanga ukuthi sisayine ama-player because ngathi ama-player abamaningi or so laphana. So it's sad because kuMamelodi Sundowns bamtshele direct ukuthi asikho isikhala sakhe laphana ethimini, so bekumele athole i-team but-ke bamtholela yiphi i-team? Bamtholela iSwelele FC. Unfortunately-ke sibonile ukuthi izinto zakhe neSwelele FC zihambe kanjani noma ziphele kanjani. Now he's back laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, akana-plan okwamanje but uthe yena uzolwa. But I ask myself ukuthi I mean, you can want to fight but ulwa kanjani utsheliwe ukuthi mfethu asikho isikhala sakho la ethimini overall, asikho ngempela. Zama somewhere bakupintshise somewhere and then possibly maybe uyobuya ngomunye unyaka but okwamanje isikhala sakho la kuMamelodi Sundowns asikho. But-ke imali iningi bafethu, at the end of the day singaba-blame abadlali sithi bathatha ama-wrong moves ukuthi bajoyine iMamelodi Sundowns but-ke imali mayiningi kuMamelodi Sundowns. Nami honestly mina I-choose imali because ibhola li-unpredictable. Khona iplay ubani uGiyane or uJiyaye, ngizokhumbula igama lakhona, lo waye ku-Cape Town, u-Cape Town City bafethu beshisa nabo Lebohang Manyama, wajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs, ibhola lakhe laphelela lapho ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ayanda Giyane, ngathi lapho nje if ngisalikhumbula kahle. Yaphela abanye ba-choose iMamelodi Sundowns bebayi-3 bahlupha laphana, omunye waba-injured kwaphela ngaye. So ibhola li-unpredictable. So wena mawubhekane nesimo sokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ithi woza eTlorkop, thina sokunika 200,000 ngenyanga, sikunike ne-signing on fee ye-4 million. Asithi for example Orlando Pirates ithi woza ngapha sokunika 120,000, sikunike ne-signing on fee ye-1 million. Uzoyaphi bafowethu? Uzoyaphi? Uzokwenza kanjani? Nami I would go for iMamelodi Sundowns. Mina sengicabangela mina uyabona uBasadeni una-28 or so, una-28, ngicabanga una-28, i-peak of i-career yakhe. Kumele ngabe uyadlala kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke ukhethile umfethu laphana. We cannot ukuthi simlwise. Yeah, but yeah, iMamelodi Sundowns iyashaya bafethu, hhayi, but hhayi, no, sengiyibeke kahle. Badlale ne-team unstable. There was nothing that team was giving, to be fair, bafethu. There was nothing at all. They dominated the game. They didn't even play best of their football in terms of i-transition yabo, ukuba quick, ukulwa laphana eziMamelodi Sundowns. They didn't have that pedigree yabo. Le siyazi ngabo. Esiyazi ngayo ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns, okay, they will show up like this. They would, the sense of agency being equal that match. They were catching that team on counter attack by Bulal. From inside like Khuliso Mudau, I don't know how many times Khuliso Mudau ezamile laphana ukubashiya, wabashiya wasquare ibhola begeja laphana phambili, aphinde futhi aqala ama-counter. So zonke, I mean, yeah, the team is not strong at all. Yeah, that team was super weak. But angeke sithi weak ngoba ishawe iMamelodi Sundowns nayo. But in terms of level, iMamelodi Sundowns, they are not even close. But they were able to get Nkosami consolation goal akufani. Khoza ulimala ngesikhathi esibi kakhulu bafethu, sibucayi, because manje yena noCupido yibo bobawu-two. They are the most trusted at the moment. They are the most trusted defenders laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, noma ngithi central defenders laphana ku-back four, yibo abathenjwayo laphana emuva ku-central. Why? Because badlala kahle kakhulu. iMamelodi Sundowns ayikho shake makudlala bona. I mean, ama-moments kaCupido engiwabonayo laphana, naye umdlalo super exciting in terms of like ukusiza iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga, uyadlala njalo whenever is given an opportunity to play Cupido uyalwa, ngathi igame yakhe yokugcina akadlali. Nokhoza at the same time, the sense of aggression that we get from him masimbukele laphana, siyabona ukuthi okay, amajita azodlala la, akunasikhathi esichithwayo, bazodlala. They just want to prove themselves laphana kuma-coaches nakubo bonke abantu possibly ababukela ukuthi possibly bangaqualify lese ukudlala kwamanye ama-country, especially ukhoza. Funny enough, ukhoza ngambuza ngendaba yaseFrance, azange afune ukukhuluma ngayo, but angambuza ukuthi ndoda bathini ngendaba yaseFrance, because bayamfuna overseas laphana, bathanda i-height yakhe, bathanda i-style sakhe sokudefenda, bathanda nje izinto ey'ningi ngayo ukhoza, the aggression. Sikhumbule ukuthi-ke sekayi-full Bafana International, siyazi ukuthi akayitholanga i-chance yokuthi adlale laphana, but guess what, kuyasho ukuthi ukhona ku-mix ukuthi potentially bangakwazi ukumselecta in the near future. But sobona good players, basadeni and healer lapho, ube right, dlela imali mfowethu, save. His career yakhe is coming to an end. I'm not saying it's coming to an end now, obviously mawusuka kuMamelodi Sundowns khona ama-team amanye azokusayina, but you can always change ama-situations laphana. But konke kulele kuwe nama-performances wakho mfowethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.